Good day everyone, my name is Jerome Linder from the IT Electronics 3G. So my business idea is excited to introduce my new venture, specialty retailer offering organic plant-based snack bars made from locally sourced ingredients like kamote chips and moringa powder. So next is business type and description. So my planned business is a retailing operation centered on selling premium gluten-free snack bars through pop-up stalls, online stores, and partnerships with health cafes in major Philippine cities like Cebu City will produce and sell innovative products such as turmeric infused energy bites, coconut flour cookies, and fruit ladder wraps, all certified organic and packaged sustainability. Then this model emphasizes direct-to-consumer sales via e-commerce platforms like Shopee and Lazada, supplemented by physical and malls. By sourcing from farmers' cooperatives, we ensured freshness while reducing supply chain complicities compared to pure manufacturing setup. So next is target market and viability. So our target market targets young professionals and fitness enthusiasts age 25 to 40. So primarily women earning 40,000 plus monthly, living in urban areas seeking convenient nutrition's alternatives to processed foods, with obesity rates climbing in the Philippines over 30%. According to WHO stats, there's a surge in demand for functional snacks projected to grow 15% yearly in Asian markets. So the viability stems from several strengths: low startup cost thanks to contract production with local manufacturers, so tapping into expert opportunities for halal certified items, and social media marketing reaching 70% of millennials. Early feedback from focus groups indicates willingness to pay premiums sa 100 to 200 per pack, aiming for 500,000 first year sales with margins above 40%. Regulatory support from DTI programs further de-risk entry. So next is my legal structure, choice, and justification. So liability protection. Cooperation provides a robust separation between personal finance and business obligation, protecting shareholders from liabilities like product recalls or supplier dispatch, essential for retail brand facing potential quality issues. So ang taxation efficiency, while subject to corporate income tax around 20 to 25% under BIR rules, it enables deduction for research on new recipes and international shipping, potentially lowering lowering net taxes versus individual filling plus reinvestment build equity faster. So ownership and management clarity. So as the founder holding majority shares, I retain full decision-making authority. Initially, future expansion could involve co-founders or board oversight, streaming governance without diluting control too early. So, next is capital growth and advantage. Corporation facilitate raising funds through angel investors or bank loans backed by stock issuance, crucial for scaling distribution nationwide. This structure supports IPO ambitions later, aligning with aggressive growth in the FB sector. So that's all. Thank you.